kinds of fruit.
Louder.
Have you seen a fruit like this? Filipino fruit? Look like a Christmas tree pine. I don't know the word in English. How does it look inside? What's the name?
Otis in Tagalog. Wow.
Never tried this. Maybe it's mature, maybe not. Let's see. That was just a seed. Yes. It's just seeds. It's just seeds. You can't eat. I think I give this 1 out of 10. Camera down.